Hi guys, so I'm making this video for IIM Bangalore Business Analytics program. I did not get the syllabus last time and a couple of students have actually helped me to give me the link of the program, wherein the syllabus has been mentioned. Fine. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through the entire curriculum of the program, and I'm making this video on students' demand. I've been getting a lot of queries and requests saying that कि sir एक बार इसको बना दो तो we can take a call कि इसमें admission लेना है कि नहीं लेना है. Anyway, so trust me, I had a look at the curriculum and it's a masterpiece, right? Now, let's go ahead and kind of, have a look at this step by step. So the first year, you will be required to complete actually 18 core courses, which is okay, which is still manageable. Every term you will be having 6 subjects. I would kind of expect it to be a little bit more because definitely it's a holy trinity anyway. But yeah, it's still doable, manageable. It's not a big deal. So you've got term 1, term 2, term 3. That's going to be your first year. Then you will be heading for your summer internship. And if you look at the second year, again in the second year you have 3 terms, which is 1 to 3. But here the subjects are going to be a little lesser. And if you look at this, right, term 2, term 3, these are all your electives. These are all your electives. Now look at the way the normal MBA program works. Okay, the normal MBA program works is like first year you will do all the subjects which are normal ones. Okay, they're all normal, and the second year you will be having a specialized knowledge on it, right? So that's a specialization that we talk about. If you're from ABC, then you will have the electives. There's no specialization as such. Fine. Now look at this. I said it in my last video that you will be getting accounting, you will be getting marketing and finance questions. Sorry, the subjects, and I was really spot on. You've got financial accounting, you've got corporate finance. Again, look at these are the important subjects, right? And that's the reason they have 3 credits given to them. If you look at marketing management, core subject, business communication or market managerial communication, part 1, part 2, introduction to computing, all these things are given only 1.5 credits. But if you closely look at this entire thing, right? Applied probability, amazing. Operations management, decision science, composition strategy, entrepreneurship, big data, all the core subjects, including organization design and decision sciences, all the core subjects of analytics as a domain are basically being taught to you in the first year itself. Okay, this is a really good thing. So good number of subjects which are core subjects to the business analytics are going to get taught to you in the first year, which actually helps you to get a very good corporate ready in the business analytics, fetch a good summer internship, put your efforts in it, put your knowledge in it, then come back and then again do a couple of courses which are again completely into your business analytics. You're getting my point. Now here, the kind of change here is that if you look at here, they have general elective, let's 5, 6, 7, and you've got in here like 2, 3, 4 and then 1 in here. Now these are going to be the general electives wherein they've given the information out here anyway. So you'll be kind of looking at the brand management or entrepreneurship or something like that, corporate valuations and all that, which again depends on you, whichever you want to take in. And if you look at the natural language, artificial intelligence, these are again core subjects. They will be having a kind of a good weightage in the second year. But if you look at overall credit, अगर हम overall credit के बारे में बात करें, analytical core and analytical elective courses, इनका जो credit है वो 12 है, और जो general elective courses है, right, उनका जो credit है वो 21 है, मतलब core subject से ज़्यादा. और अगर हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं first year में, so your core subjects are actually having more weightage than the general subject, which is marketing and all that. So if you look at the syllabus, it's so bloody strategically designed that I'm really happy about this program because it's a very well blend of your core subjects and your general subject, which is definitely forms the part of your management. So मेरे ख्याल से even if you look at the core structure, it's beautiful. Subjects are amazing, as I said in the last video itself. The faculties and everything is going to be really, really good. So guys, I think this is something I was really looking at. That I really wanted to know the curriculum and the subjects are there. So I think finally some students helped. So thank you so much, you guys. Those who helped me. But again, those who are watching this video, it's a masterpiece. They have designed it very well. They've structured it very well. So anybody who is actually really aiming for it, guys, shoot for it. It's going to be an amazing course. It doesn't matter it's a first year, second year, whatever, it's an initiation or whatever it is. It's an amazing course that I can say looking at the subjects, and delivery undoubtedly be going to be supreme because it's IIM Bangalore. So guys, that's a couple of my 2 cents, right? A small analysis from my side. I believe now you guys are like sorted and you can now take decision whether to actually go for this program or not to go for this program. So guys, that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video.